Yes, now dear student, we will see how we can construct angle 22.5 degree. So all of you know it very well that if we are going to draw a angle bisector of 90-degree angle, then it will be of your 45 degree. And if we will draw the angle bisector of your 45-degree angle, then it will be equals to your 22.5 degree. So first of all, in this question, we will draw an angle which is of your 90 degree. For that, we will take one initial ray which is we have chosen your OA. So here we will take a point, this, and we will draw one ray, and we have given this ray, this is your O, and here we will take one point A, this is our OA. So first of all, we will draw a right angle that is 90 degree, taking O as a center of any radius. You can see here we will draw an arc which sect the line OA at any point. That point we will give, this point we are going to give our D. Now with the same radius we will cut another arc from D. We will give this name E. From this point we will give this name E. Now we know it very well that EOA is 60 degree, and if I am going to draw another arc from the A, which is your cutting the previous arc at F, the intersection point of these two arcs on the top of the line will be your 90 degree angle for that point to O and A. So of same measurement or more than half of FE, we will draw arc at the top of this old arc, and with taking F as a center we will cut the previous arc we have drawn here. You can see now this previous arc we will cut. So in this we got a point, this point we will have, this is of your 90 degree angle. So we will draw a 90 degree angle first. So instead of constructing the complete angle, we will put the mark only here so that we will have idea that this is our 90 degree. And the 90 degree point, this intersection point, from this point to this D point. So we are going to give name to this, that is of your G we are going to name. So if we are going to draw a bisector of 90 degree from G to D, so it will be of your 45 degree. Now you can see, taking D as a center of radius more than half of DG, draw an arc here, and with the same radius taking G as a center, draw the another arc here on this. So this point will be of your 45 degree. From this point we will take another point which this is our 45 degree dotted line, and we have here this is 45 degree. So this 45 degree is bisecting the old arc here at this point. So this is our 45 degree. This line is of your 45 degree line. This line is of your 90 degree line. Now we have to bisect, we have to draw a bisector of this 45 degree. So taking this point, I am going to give name to this H. Taking the bisector of H and D. So I am going to draw the bisector of H and D. You can see more than half of HD. Draw an arc outside here, and taking the center H we will draw another arc here. So this point we will take B. So this point I am going to take B. Now if you are going to join your B, if you are going to join your B and O, so it will be of your 45 degree. Now you see here, this is our 45 degree angle, and here this is our ray. So this is our 45 degree angle. Oh sorry, 22 and a half. It is what? 22 and a half degree. It is clear? And this line is of 45 degree, this line is of your 90 degree. So the complete procedure is this. Now you can see that first step I have already written here, draw any ray OA. Now after drawing any ray, we will taking O as a center, or taking O as a center of any radius, we will cut the arc on OA ray. So I am going to write here, you see here that taking point number 7, we will see, you can see join, join, join your BO, angle BOA is equals to 40, half of 45, that is of your 22.5 degree. Once again we will see here what we have done in this. First of all, we have drawn a ray OA. On ray OA, we have drawn a arc, which is, you can see this arc, which intersect OA at D. Then taking D as a center, we have cut an arc E, and we have taken an arc, this is our E arc, and then F arc. Now from E and F, we have drawn a bisector of the arc E and F at X. We have joined XO. It is of your 90 degree. That's why I have written 90 degree on this line at the place here. It is of your X. After that, we have drawn the angle bisector of our G and D angle, because your GD is 90 degree. So this gap GD is to be bisected. For that, we have taken G as a center and E as a center. So more than half we have taken a cut on this top. So this, when we have joined this, so it is intersected the arc here at point H. So it is small, but it is H, you can see. Now after construction of this HOA, I have written here 45 degree, because it is a 45 degree bisector of angle 90 degree. After that, when we draw the bisector of H and D, the angle bisector of HD at B, so it is 22.5. Now you can pause the video and note it down.